Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denitris if you are new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. As you can see, I am in a different setting. I am in my kitchen, and we are going to be doing a little bit of a different video today. So I am currently on a weight loss journey, and I have started back meal prepping and making my salads and things. This was my go-to salad when I lost weight a while back. So I'm like, why not film it for you guys? I absolutely love it. It's so good. It's so filling, and it's just full of good ingredients. Just a disclaimer, I am not a nutritionist or a dietitian or anything of that nature. This is just what worked for me. So I decided to come on here and share it with y'all. So yeah, just wanted to put that out there. So we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys could do your girl a favor and hit that subscribe button, and yeah, help me reach my goal. So if you guys would like to try out the best salad for weight loss in my opinion, then just continue to watch. All right, y'all, so this is the finished salad. It's so good, so colorful. I'm gonna do a taste test for y'all on camera. What would a cooking video be without a taste test, right? Y'all, this is fire. It's the feta cheese for me. So good. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Comment down below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope this video was super helpful. You can literally meal prep this salad without putting the dressing on it and take it to work, to school, or if you're just at home and needing lunch, and just pour your dressing on top and it's done. So it's super quick and easy. And don't forget, I am on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so don't forget to press that subscribe button. I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.